Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can stop screen mirroring on iPhone. So you've probably noticed that since you have been using iOS 17, you will right now notice that when you're screen mirroring, your top left corner of your screen where the time is will not be flashing blue anymore, and now you just don't know how to stop screen mirroring on iPhone. Well, luckily it's still quite easy. So yes, they did change it up a little bit with this new iOS 17 update, but in order to stop screen mirroring on iPhone, all you need to do is right now go to your home page. You want to make sure to go to the top right corner of your screen and open your control center. So once you're right here over your control center, then you will still have that white little like square, and then within that square you have like those two mirrors or those screens. And in order to stop screen mirroring, literally all you need to do is click on that, and then all you need to do is click on stop mirroring, and we can right now see that in the top right corner of our screen at our control center. This also just turned from blue over to normal again. So that's how you can stop screen mirroring on iPhone. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.